Bollywood legend Amitabh Bachchan recently stirred intrigue with a cryptic post shared on X, formerly Twitter, in the early hours of Tuesday. Around 3 a.m., Big B posted a puzzling Hindi phrase, "Chup chap, chidi kabab," leaving fans and followers wondering about its intended target. This came after Bachchan hinted at being upset in a post on Monday afternoon. Adding to the mystery, he elaborated on his blog, penning a reflective and layered note about creativity and interpretation. Amitabh Bachchan reflected on the complexity of understanding words, expressions, and thoughts, emphasizing that their true meaning often lies solely with the creator. He suggested that complete comprehension is not always possible for others, as the depth of a creator's intentions can remain elusive. Bachchan highlighted the autonomy of creative expression, asserting that a creator's thoughts are unique and thrive within their own profundity. He implied that if someone cannot fully understand this depth, they have the choice to move on without judgment. For him, the act of expressing is a creator's right and does not necessarily require explanation. Concluding his reflection, Bachchan underlined the individuality of his words, asserting that they belong to him alone and cannot be claimed or critiqued by others. He acknowledged that the idea of the other has been a topic of endless debate throughout history, inviting readers to explore its literature and further the discussion if they wish. While the purpose of these posts remains unclear, fans speculate they may hint at personal or professional grievances. On the work front, Amitabh Bachchan is currently hosting the latest season of Kaun Banega Crorepati and has been busy with its filming schedule. His cryptic musings continue to leave fans intrigued, showcasing his philosophical side and mastery of words.